Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to reset the home screen layout on this device. So this is the home screen. So simply I am going to do some changes here. Okay. I am going to move all these in a single folder. And I am going to delete this widget. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So let me show you how to reset the home screen layout. Now you can see I do some changes on the home screen. So let me show you how to reset to the factory default. Simply go to settings, tap on general, scroll to bottom, tap on the option transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. So in this some reset options, here you can see the option reset home screen layout. Tap on this one, then confirm this one with the reset home screen. That's it. After this one, simply go to the home screen. You can see the home screen is reset to the factory default. So simply in this way we can reset the home screen layout on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.